Womp, womp, womp.
1050 hertz attention, Dr. Junior.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a Dr. Junior emergency for the following areas.
Esquire County and Honorable County in Northern Reland. Colonel County, Mrs. County in Baltimore City and Central Reland Junior.
Effective until 3:41 p.m. on August 12, 2030.
At 3:14 p.m. a confirmed large and extremely dangerous Dr. Joe was located near Baltimore, moving northwest at 15 miles per Esquire.
This is a Dr. Junior emergency for the listed areas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now!
Hazard. Deadly Dr. Joe and baseball size honorable. Whoa. What
Force. Radar indicated rotation.
You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Call.
Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible.
To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly Dr. J is on the ground to protect your life. Take cover now, J.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying cow.
This concludes the activation of the emergency alertisk.
What the hell, Plankton? Can't you see we're under an emergency warning?
Oh, shut up, Squiddy. I'm trying to steal the formula here.
Are you kidding me? We could die, and all you care about is that stupid formula.
Hey, I've been trying to get my hands on that recipe for years. I'm not gonna let some stupid storm stop me now.
You're insane. We need to take cover before it's too late.
Oh, please, like a little Dr. Junior can stop me.
You're delusional, Plankton. We need to work together and survive this.
Like I would ever cooperate with you, Squiddy.
I'm fine. But if we die because of your selfishness, I'll never forgive you.
Oh, boo-hoo! Cry me a river, Squiddy! Now let's get back to stealing that formula before someone else does. Oh,